Welcome to the very first tutorial of our DirectAdmin series. This is Ankit from Saintchu, and in this video, I will show you how you can install a free SSL certificate on DirectAdmin. Before we start, I hope that it is essential for you to understand the types of SSL available, so you can choose what you want to install wisely. You can install two types of SSL certificates using DirectAdmin free SSL installer. One type is single domain SSL, and the other type is wildcard SSL. Single domain SSL certificate secures only a single FDQN, meaning you have to install SSL manually every time you create a subdomain. On the other hand, wildcard SSL protects all your subdomains and the main domain. With a wildcard SSL, you need not install SSL every time you create a subdomain. In this tutorial, I am going to install a wildcard SSL certificate. If needed, you can feel free to install a single domain SSL. The next important thing that you should know before we proceed further is about SSL forcing. In default, even after you install SSL, your website might load from a non-SSL HTTP port. To load your website from the SSL protocol, you have to force the site, or manually make redirections. Manually doing this task isn't a viable option for even medium-sized websites. The process of manual updation will take forever. It is highly recommended to force your site to use SSL, unless you can update it manually in an easy way. In this tutorial, I will force my website to use SSL. But for any reason, if you think you don't want to, feel free to uncheck the box in the process. Alright, let's install the SSL now. I have logged into DirectAdmin. As soon as I do, I am able to see SSL certificates in the top. Click on it. Click on the free and automatic SSL from LetsEncrypt option. I want wildcard SSL, so I am checking the option. I am also forcing the site to use SSL. Click on Save button. Now the installation process will take approximately 20 to 30 minutes. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for buying your hosting from Saintchu. If you face any issues in this process, feel free to create a support ticket. We are here around the clock to help you. Have a good day. We'll catch up in next video.